Good morning. Are you ready for a simultaneous sip? Let's do this. So it looks like a beautiful sunny day out today, and it is Wednesday, middle of the week. And here's hoping that, of course, that you can somehow get outside, enjoy that sun, enjoy nature. Yesterday, as I was walking along the riverbank, a goose was coming towards me, peacefully eating. There was geese in the river. The river was flowing, glistening. I took a picture and many videos, sent a picture into CTV News, and I got it on TV. First time I've ever sent something in. But it was just lovely to sit there and smell the roses. So I'm hoping that somehow you'll get to do that. Somehow get to observe nature. Don't care if it's a ladybug or if it's a goose or if it's just something outside that catches your attention and lets you peacefully enjoy the healthy sunny day. Have a good one.